Imagine a future where Indonesia becomes a beacon for technological and sustainable development. The Indonesia Investment Authority, INA, is boldly stepping up to play a pivotal role in facilitating this vision by focusing heavily on critical sectors like digital infrastructure, healthcare technology, and renewable energy. As the Sovereign Wealth Fund strives to engage with global partners and enhance the nation's economic growth. Its chief investment officer shared insights with Reuters during a recent event. Since its inception in 2021, fueled by a formation capital of $5 billion from the government, INA has operated under a dual mandate. Its mission is not only to generate substantial returns, but also to promote sustainable growth for the country. Initially, the fund concentrated on direct equity investments, aiming to attract foreign partners who could co-invest alongside them. Now commanding an impressive 163.4 trillion rupiah, which amounts to approximately $10 billion, INA has smartly diversified its portfolio. It has expanded into hybrid capital and private credit avenues to bolster the overseas operations of Indonesian firms, while also ensuring they gain access to vital capital and expertise. While INA holds the distinction of being Indonesia's first sovereign wealth fund, it now shares the stage with a newer player, the Daya Anagata Nusantara Investment Management Agency, Danantara, which was established in February with a significant $20 billion in capital from the state. In an interview at the Super Return Asia conference held in Singapore, Christopher Gannis, INA's chief investment officer, emphasized the increasing necessity for data independence and resilience, highlighting the rising demand for data centers in the country. Our government's focus on these areas signals a terrific opportunity for investment in data centers and the supporting digital infrastructure, including undersea cables, he noted. INA is actively fostering collaborations such as its partnership with Granite Asia, a multi-asset firm based in Singapore. Together, they aim to inject over $1.2 billion into Indonesia's burgeoning technology and AI sectors, including significant initiatives like the Day One data center campus located in Batam. Gannis, who previously helmed private credit investments at BlackRock for Southeast Asia before joining INA in 2024, declared that artificial intelligence is a priority focus area. However, he expressed caution against merely following trends. While AI has rightfully captured attention, I prefer to identify practical applications, starting with its deployment in healthcare. He shared, renewable energy continues to be a central focus of INA's investments as well. Gannis pointed to a successful 2023 venture with Masdar Clean Energy from Abu Dhabi in Pertamina Geothermal Energy. The performance of this investment has exceeded our expectations, he remarked. Gannis also highlighted a unique aspect of Asia's financial landscape, where a dominant reliance on banks drives INA's venture into alternative financing solutions. When seeking to expand internationally, local banks in Jakarta often lack the capacity to support such ambitions. Investors in other countries may not yet recognize who you are. That's where our role comes into play, he explained. As for the future direction of INA, Gannis reaffirmed that investments tied to Indonesia remain the top priority. Currently, our focus is firmly on domestic opportunities. I struggle to find justification for investing overseas in endeavors completely disconnected from Indonesia. He concluded. So, what are your thoughts? Do you believe that focusing solely on domestic investments is the best strategy for Indonesia's growth? Or should the fund be more aggressive in pursuing international opportunities? Let's hear your views in the comments.